This is kind of cool. I'm back on Manitoulin Island. I just stopped beside this lake here. I don't even know what it's called because they have washrooms and a little picnic area. More tile. This is a full load of 12-inch. That's some pretty big pipe. Okay, time to go. Like I said, I don't actually know what the lake is called, but I'm just north of Mindimoya, 3 kilometers. So that's where I am. And I think this is 551, maybe this is what this road is called. Something like that. Welcome to the metropolis of Poplar. It's a pretty big town. There's actually, yeah, that's an example. Some Amish Mennonites, most of them are down in that direction. But they're here. There you can see the buggy. Like I said, most of them are a little further south and west, but we're right at the top edge of the settlement. Kind of cool. Oh, I got unloaded there. Now I'm basically heading back to Kate's Country Kitchen for the night. I should get there around 11 p.m. and that'll be the day for me. Tomorrow I'm picking up tires and going somewhere with them. Somewhere down towards home. These guys love to park in the turnaround area there. With the lumberyard where I scale the rubber loads here. Goulard's Lumber. They're pretty empty right now, actually. Sometimes this area right here is solid full of logs waiting to be cut. But not right now. And obviously all the rain up here is starting to get muddy again. There's something to look forward to. This water hole right here, in another month or so, I won't even be able to drive here. I'll have to back off the scale and turn around behind the scale. So I'm already sliding and skidding. But yeah, if Buddy here wouldn't park out there, I wouldn't have to try and turn so sharp. But he always parks there. Ah, the places I go. You can see all the mud puddles. Just deliver part of the load here. Now it's on to Mitchell. Providing I make it past these sallows here. I better go in low gear. Gonna be a bump. Yeah. Okay, we cleared the first one. Don't hit that one. Oh, where's the cage? See that one? Okay, we're around that. Now we gotta clear this one. Yeah, that one's not so bad. How's that for a fuel bill? 690 liters. But that's somewhere between 1,600 and 1,700 kilometers. Probably around 1,600. So that's pretty much what I'd expect. As you can see, I got the load off. Now I think I'm going to be helping with chopping for a couple hours, but we shall see once I get home. What a lovely day for driving. It's actually a little sketchy trying to get across roads because you can't see very far at all. What do you do? Just on my way to pick up another load of tile, going back up north again. Look at the size of this thing. It's called a Raspberry Twist. I just picked it up at Country Sisters here on Highway 86 near Dorking, Ontario. You got some Mennonite roast beef sandwich, summer sausage sandwich with that home-baked Mennonite bread. Yummy. And now it's raining. It is about 7:40 p.m. on September 16th. Yes. There's a farm where I delivered. We're getting a beautiful sunset, but I can't get it right now. That's where a couple loads have been delivered already. I didn't video anything because I was trying to beat the rain. But as you can see, well, you can't see, I'm a little damp, so I didn't quite make it. Not too bad, but I'm a little bit wet. There you go. Random bit of sunset in the distance. Nice rain here. So I actually didn't unload the whole load here. I only dropped 5 rolls. So there was 4 12-inch rolls, or rolls of 12-inch pipe, I should say. Then there was 1 roll of 4-inch that I dropped, so I still have 1 roll of 4-inch in the trailer. And they had a roll of 6-inch there they wanted me to pick up. And then those 2 rolls, the 1.4 and the 1.6, are going up to Verner. I'll deliver that tomorrow morning. Yeah, you couldn't see it. Tonight, I'm just headed up to Nairn Center for the night, and that'll be a day for me. Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, September 22. At about 5 o'clock in the morning here. I picked up a load of tile yesterday, and I'm headed up to Verner with that today. It's about halfway between Sudbury and North Bay. And it is a wet, dreary morning. Hopefully it's not this wet up there, but we'll see. There won't be harvesting for a couple of days, that's for sure. So I may as well go trucking. Let's go. soupy mess. Fall is here. And it's only going to get worse unless we get some random dry spells, but I doubt it. I just scaled out here at the lumber yard. I've got a load of tires back there. And this one's going up to New Liskeard. Or Earlton, actually. Should be fun. Yeah, it's September 22 today, and it has been raining all day. My jacket's nice and wet. What do you do?